Why is it important to speak English fluency? English is the language of our international communication in all areas, such as politics, science, media, or art, and it is often the language of entertainment, as well as socializing. Having a good command of English helps us to have more opportunities in life first of all our career. Nowadays, more and more people are dedicating time to study English as a second language. Many countries include English in their school syllabus, and children are starting to learn English at a younger and younger age. But what is the true value of English and learning English? Whether you are looking for a new job or planning to travel the world, studying English can help you progress in life both personally and professionally. You can compete in the global job market, increase your career skills, and start to meet people around the world. However, do you know why learning English is so important? Here are some good reasons to take an English language course. 1. English is a global language. 2. Studying English can help you get a job. 3. Learning English can help you meet new people. 4. Many scientific papers are written in English. 5. English is the language of the media industry. 6. English is the language of the internet. 7. Traveling is a lot easier with a good knowledge of English. 8. English is one of the most important languages for business. 9. With English you can study all over the world. And number 10. English gives you access to multiple cultures. Thank you for watching.